When silence filled the midnight sky, I called your name with trembling hands. The valley echoed every prayer, yet deep inside I chose to stand. You saw the tears I could not hide. You knew the battles no one knew. generation to generation, our rock, our shield, our deliverer. Forever you are worthy, forever you are faithful, forever we will sing. You heard our cry, and we will bless your holy